Some men just want to watch the world burn.
Yo, what is going on, everyone? It's your boy Dutch, and I am back from the dead to upload a brand new Metro Boomin type beat video. So let's just get right into it. Let's waste no time. Let's just jump right into the video without wasting a single second of time. Let's get into it. Please remember to like and subscribe. Let's go. Jump into these drums. Some banging 808. Alternating velocity hi-hats. Some extra hi-hats in there. That Metro stick. That's pretty much it for these drums, and then I did a secondary layer for the bridges and the intro. It's kind of like some underwater sounding drums. And to get these this underwater sound, I pretty much just took all of these sounds for the second drum loop thing, and then I put them all into this other track here. Put a high pass filter on it and some reverb, and that's what it makes it sound like. And then this is the final beat.
The ruby size, a tangerine. Bandit had been throwing them away.
So why steal them?
Well, because he thought it was good sport. Because some men aren't looking for anything logical, like money. They can't be bought, bullied, reasoned, or negotiated with. Some men just want to watch the world